Really?
Yes.
Can you sing any lyrics from it? Let's sing. Rukum maikot song. Let's sing. Rukum maikot. Rukum maikot. While I was singing, guys, they were all watching. They were all shocked and watching. Yeah, that was a try, guys. Tell me, how is it? How is it? It's my first time. It's my first time to sing it, and they still want to come. Do you want to sing? Sing for me any Nepali song.
Okay.
Sing.
के हो तेरो नाम परिचय काम हिमाल जस्तो रहेछ तिमी बिहानीको घाम कता हिँडेको
Come.
हट भएर
Let's sing. You can tell me what's the title of this song? It seems like a famous song in Nepal. Yeah.